Keep pulling. Good. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Miso soup with a mix of seaweeds. There's wakame and then like an alaria kelp mix. A couple dried shiitake and then julienne cabbage and daikon ginger. It's a mix of brown rice miso and 3-year aged barley miso. And this is a oat rolled oat protein oat mix. And I have drizzled on top my butter, liquid lecithin, and sorghum syrup with some walnuts. Yep.
Well, dear, what are we going to do? We're both hungry. What are we going to make for our next meal today?
That's a good question.
I think we're going to do
We're
the
still
pasta,
trying to figure
right?
that out, but I know there'll be an onion involved, and some garlic, and mushroom, and I'm just getting home from the store.
Yeah, I think we're going to make...
And I've got a whole pile of turnip greens already cleaned, and some
right.
good wheat fettuccine that I was
You're already
soaking.
on it. You got it.
So that'll be a lot quicker to cook. I love this. This is a good one.
Okay, let's do it.
So we'll make some kind of sauce and see how it goes. Pre-marinated and baked. Well, what'd you come up with?
I have a quarter cup of tahini, half a lemon juice, half a lemon, tablespoon of brown rice syrup, tablespoon of soy sauce, and a knob, like a half of a thumb size of ginger, grated.
And soy sauce? And soy sauce? Tamari?
Yeah, I said I had that.
Oh, okay.
So what do you think we should have? Anything else?
Maybe just that Vietnamese chili garlic sauce if we want. We could put on when it's cooked too.
Okay.
This cooked quite quickly since it was already softened. Like barely 5 minutes. I'd like to hang on to this water for a little bit. I might add it to the sauce. Or if I need to reheat the noodles, I just quick dunk them back in there. Well, I was getting interrupted from phone calls, so Don took over. He's got the sauce in here. It's gonna be awesome. Took the kale out from our quick boil method. I call the QB method. I just salt the water. You don't even have to do that. But it's all chopped up nicely and tossed with the rest of the vegetables and the pre-marinated and baked tofu. So we'll just pile this on top of our noodles and chow down. What teamwork! That looks awesome. We are looking forward to